All right, we're going to be building linear inequalities. And once again, we're going to have one statement that has two variables in it so that we can start designing inequalities. So it says you and your friend have $14 among you to spend on snacks at a basketball game. If drinks are $2 and popcorn is $1, how many of each can you buy? So we have two variables, okay? We have the drinks and the popcorn, okay? So I'm gonna write that down. I'm gonna use D for drinks. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use P for popcorn. And one thing that we really want to pay attention when we do these problems is what is our limit? Is it a starting limit or is it a maximum limit? Okay, and if we notice what happens, it says you and your friend have $14 among you. Okay, which means you can spend all $14. You can spend less than $14, but you can't spend more than $14. So $14, we can be less than $14, we can be equal to $14, but we cannot be more than $14, okay? And we'll just write this, the cost is gonna have to be like that. So now, let's go ahead and keep going and we'll build our equation or our inequality. If drinks are $2, so think about this, if I buy one drink, it's $2. If I buy two drinks, it's $4. 3 drinks is $6, okay? 4 drinks is now $8. We're gonna multiply the number of drinks by the cost of the drink. So it's $2. So what I'm gonna say, in order to get the drinks, it's gonna say 2 times D, and this is gonna be the total cost of drinks, okay? And then we're gonna buy some popcorn, but popcorn's only $1 a piece. So if I buy one popcorn, it's $1. If I buy 2 popcorns, it's $2. If I buy 3 popcorn, it's $3. Or in that case, we have to think we're just taking the $1 and we're multiplying it by the amount of bags of popcorn we're getting. So in this case, we're just gonna add on 1 times P, which we could just write as P if we want to, but 1 times P to really get the idea that we're multiplying it by 1. And this is going to be the total cost of popcorn. Okay. Now, with that being said, we now know the inequality. We already made that relationship just a little while ago. We said the cost is going to be less than or equal to $14 because that's how much money that is going to be in the pocket to be spent. So if we add the total cost of drinks plus popcorn, it has to be less than $14, but it can also be equal to 14 because we can spend every bit of that $14. And if we look at that, that is now our linear inequality that represents this scenario for drinks and popcorn.